Welcome to my channel. Netgear Orbi RBK50 Setup. 1. Unbox everything. You'll have the big Orbi router, the one with the yellow port on the back, the satellite, 2 power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Keep it all nearby. 2. Kill the old Wi-Fi. Unplug your old router. If you're swapping from another mesh, pull the plug on that too. You want a clean start. 3. Connect the Orbi router. Take the Ethernet cable from your modem and plug it into the yellow internet port on the Orbi. Then power it up. Wait. It takes like 2 to 3 minutes before the light ring does anything sane. 4. Place the satellite. Just put the satellite in a spot where your old Wi-Fi used to struggle but not too far from the main router. Plug it in. Give it a couple minutes. The ring should go blue, good connection, or amber, meh connection. Red means nope, move it closer. 5. Install the Orbi app. Yes, you can do it in a browser, but the app is easier. Download the Netgear Orbi app on your phone. 6. Create an account. Yes, Netgear makes you sign in. Just bite the bullet. Use a real email, set the password, move on. 7. Let the app find your Orbi. The app scans for your router. Sometimes it fails the first time. Restart the app if needed. Eventually, it'll see the router and satellite. 8. Set up Wi-Fi name plus password. This is where you ditch the ugly default. Pick your own SSID and password. The Orbi reboots after you save, so give it a few minutes. 9. Update firmware. The app usually nags you. Hit update and let both router and satellite run through it. It takes a bit, but after that, you're done. Thanks for watching.